Welcome back. This week we are continuing on with our Christmas theme. Last week we did the Christmas wreath, we've done the Christmas nativity, so I thought we need to do a Christmas tree. So grab a seat, get out your paints, get your palette knives, and let's go. So like the nativity and the wreath that we've already done, which if you missed those videos, I'll provide those in the description box below, but we're continuing on with our palette knives. So it's important to remember that when you're using a palette knife, the style that you're really going for is more of a loose and easy style. It's important not to pay too much attention to detail. Let me know in the comments below if that's hard for you, because I know sometimes for me, I get kind of really hung up on having too tight of a hand and trying to control my movements. So it's really important as you're painting this to really just relax, maybe grab a cup of coffee, or if you're like me, your Diet Dr. Pepper, put on some Christmas music and just have fun. Also, don't forget to click subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Well, we're all done. Hopefully you found that fun and easy. If you enjoyed this video, click the like buttons. That helps me know which videos you like and what I need to make more of. I really hope that these videos help encourage and inspire you to get out all your paints and your tools and be creative this Christmas season. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later. Blah, blah, blah. And blah, 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 blah.